Hey everyone, my name is Diane, but you can call me Dee. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Today's look is in collaboration with Carmen. She is actually a beauty pro as well. She's just from a different province, but she decided to do a collab for like a gingerbread style look. So I figured I would do a warm smoky brown eye. Again, reinventing the wheel. It's been done before, but I jazzed it up a little bit in my own way with a little bit of glitter and like a few different tones, if you shall. So yeah, she also has her social media, which I will post here and down in the description box below. So don't be shy, give her a like and a follow. Don't forget to check out her interpretation of a gingerbread look. But if you want to learn how to get this smoky brown eye, keep watching and I'll show you how.
I'm preparing my eyelid with some Urban Decay primer potion and just blending it all over with my finger. Next, I'm going to clean up my brows using Benefit's Cakeless concealer, and I'm just using a synthetic lip brush to really carve them out.
Son of a gun, I thought I was recording and it was not. So thankfully we didn't get too far, but just a little recap. I started the look on camera with my brows already on. So I'm just applying the first color, okay? Summer Yum from the Sweet Peach Too Faced palette, all over the lid, very messily, just to get a base color going on. That's it. That's as far as we got. And I didn't do my brows on camera, so you didn't miss any part of that. Moving on. We're taking a clean, fluffy Smashbox brush, and I'm using that exact same color just to be in the crease as well, just to blow it out intensely. We're going smoky. Voila. So that's our first color down. I'm gonna go into our second transition color, Puree. A bit more of a camel brown, a little bit more yellow toned. And I'm just throwing that on top in the crease, just fusing the two together. Subtle difference between the two, but enough that it facilitates your blending. And again, it gives it that richness, that depth. Okay, going in with my little highlight color. I think I'm gonna take Nectar. Peachy, creamy, yellow kind of tones. And on a Smashbox dome-shaped brush, I'm just patting it along the brow bone. And taking that same fluffy brush we were earlier using, there's nothing on here. I'm just using what's left over and what's already placed down on the lid to feather it up, fusing with the highlight color. I need more oomph, I need more smoke. You could very well just do this, a little bit of eyeliner, mascara, that's your daytime look. I want some serious toasty gingerbread tones, so I'm gonna deepen it up a little bit, and I'm using the color Charmed, I'm sure. A bit more of a cooler toned, a bit more taupey based brown. It's really nice. Just taking this on a 217 MAC brush and just patting this into the outer corner. I'm going back in with that Smashbox fluffy brush. This is a lot bigger. It's just going to blow out and diffuse that color. I'm hoping if I add some shimmer to this, it's gonna like liven the look up because it's falling a little bit flat for me. This is the Vivid Smoky Quartz Shimmer and Glow from Stila. Beautiful liquid eyeshadow, but it's not the glitter formula, it's like the wet looking shadows. I'm just going to apply this on the lid. Okay, that's a little bit better. That's a little bit more like shiny and fun and festive in my opinion. Next I'm going to go in with some glitter. This is Diamond Dust, also from Stila. It's a beautiful like white, gold, blue glitter. It has a lot of shift to it and it's super pretty. And I'm just taking that with a synthetic brush. This is an E10 from ColourPop. And I'm just going to tap it on the inner corner. So we got the gingerbread warm cocoa vibes going on, but then you got like your dripping in icing kind of mood as well. I think I need some contrast, so I'm just going to take a liquid eyeliner. This one is from Stila, Stay All Day. And I'm just going to link all of these different textures and colors together. That's a pretty dramatic wing. We're gonna clean that up. Okay, we're looking a little bit like Amy Winehouse. No respect to the dead, love her. I'm gonna clean this up with some Bioderma because I look absolutely crazy right now. Okay, this is looking a little bit more okay. This is such a shit show, oh my god. Feel like after cleaning up the liner it's a little bit better. I'm just gonna put on my face because I just can't take myself seriously with these like crazy dark circles, and I hope that when I stick a lash on it's all gonna come together. So BRB, gonna do my face. I think I look a little less crazy now that I have my base going on. Those dark circles were really throwing me off. I'm going to finish up the eyes, and I'm going to start using Torch eyeliner from Urban Decay. Beautiful burnt orange terracotta kind of color. And that very first eyeshadow we used, Summer Yum, I'm just going to smudge it with that exact same brush we used to apply it on the lid. I don't want the orange to be too bright, but I don't want it to be like the exact same color that we've got going on. Dipping my big fluffy brush into that second color we used, Puree. Same thing, just layer on top, blend it out, smoke it out. And it kind of marries it to what we have going on the upper lid, so it's not exactly copy paste, but it still unifies the theme. It still has that color story going on. This is Kitten from Stila, and technically it is an eyeshadow, but I also use it on my face as a highlight. Pew! That's exactly what I was looking for. I still need to do my eyelashes, and I think I'm gonna tightline my inner waterline. I'm gonna go in again with my Jet Set. I keep calling it Jet Set because that was their old gel liner in the pot. This is the pencil gel liner. It's called Fishnet from Smashbox. Doesn't that sound so satisfying? And I'm just going to tightline my upper and lower lash line. I'm gonna do my hair, I'm gonna get dressed, I'm gonna stick on a pair of fake eyelashes, and I'll come back to do lips with you guys. Incredible the difference that lashes make. I'm just gonna jump into lips with you guys. Ooh, that body! Yes, honey, give me that volume. I'm just gonna jump into lips. I already did a lip balm like when I started my makeup, and I did just a light brushing with my dry toothbrush to get rid of any like dry skin. The thing about winter obviously is you get dry lips, but the worst thing you can do is put on like lipstick, liquid matte lipstick, and you can see all of the dry texture. So just make sure that you take the 30 seconds to exfoliate your lips. I promise you it's going to feel better, look better, and last longer. So my lips are ready to go. I'm going to jump in with my lip liner. And I think today I'm going to be using my Spice pencil from MAC. This is an oldie but a goodie. Just want like a nice deep warm brown kind of situation, you know? Next I'm going in with my Cocoa Flash lipstick from Chanel. This one is 122 Corail Radieux. Beautiful bright coral. And I'm just going to throw this on. It's essentially a tinted lip balm, but they are 30% more pigmented than the original Cocoa shines. And I find that even though it does transfer, obviously on like your coffee cup, or if you like smooch somebody, it's gonna transfer. The pigmentation still kind of stains your lips very lightly. And because it's not a lipstick, it's like a lip balm, it does feel a little bit more creamy and hydrating. It fades nicely throughout the day. It doesn't give you that stupid annoying line in the middle of your lips as well. It's a little bit too bright for me though. I feel like this is very fall, but I want it more like fall winter. Fall winter festive. So I'm just gonna deepen it up a little bit. This is the Hi-Fi Shine Gloss from Urban Decay in Dirty Talk. It's a really beautiful like burnt red burgundy cognac kind of situation. And I'm just gonna throw this on top of that tinted lip balm. There we go. So it just kind of deepened it up a little bit and gave it more of that like reddish burgundy copper undertone, which I feel is reflected in all of the colors on our eyes. And yeah, I think that's it, guys. I think that's the final look for this warm, smoky brown, festive, gingerbread, hot cocoa, why is it not summer yet kind of look. I really like how the tight lining of the waterline with the black liner really connects with the liquid liner and the lashes. It just gives it that extra like drama that I'm looking for. And yeah, that concludes our gingerbread, hot cocoa, festive, warm, brown, smoky look of the day. I hope you enjoyed this video and you learned some tips and tricks. If you have any questions or comments, as always, don't be shy. Let them be written. Let them be spoken into the world in the comment section below. And I will see you guys next video. Bye.